Hello! Oh my goodness, it's been forever. I have not made a YouTube video since May of 2023, and it's now almost November. It's October 30th. And so much has happened, including shifting out of relationship coaching into other things. And I'm going to give you a full update in this video of what's been going on with me in my personal life, in my business life, and give you a full update to catch you up to what's been going on. First of all, you may already know, or you may not, but I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant after many years of trying and losses and lots of work. Jerry and I are having a baby. It's so exciting. I'm 6 months now. I have a big belly. And you can go to my Instagram accounts to find more pictures and all that. I'm not going to stand up right now. But yeah, so I'm pregnant. We're also engaged, which I think was already pretty public from March on. So March, April, May. You've had a chance to catch up on that. And so we are having a baby in February, end of February, beginning of March, and we're getting married in June. So that's going to be really fun. And what I actually decided on doing, leaving the one-on-one coaching that I was doing and running events, online events and master classes and all that stuff that was really taking a lot of my energy. I loved it, but it was burning me out. And the industry was changing a little bit and people did not want big coaching packages anymore. So it was perfect timing for me to pivot to what I want to be doing now and what I am doing now. I've helped several women already start their own businesses or improve on the businesses that they had within my dating and relationship coaching that I was doing. And so, I have so much experience now. I have 8 years experience in the online space. And so that's what I am pivoting towards, helping women start their own online businesses, just like I did, whether it's a coaching business, course creation, or digital marketing, which is something that I'm really passionate about, affiliate marketing, digital marketing. I also started a network marketing business. So I have 3 gigs right now that I'm doing consistently on Instagram and TikTok. And I wanted to bring you guys along here as well. So what I really want to know, and I want you to comment below, is what of those 3 are you most interested in? Is it online business coaching for you to become a coach or for you to do well as a coach online? Is it digital marketing where you're more in a passive income, able to receive income in a way that is kind of with ease and femininity, and you're not grinding and pushing constantly? There's a lot of feminine work that I'm putting into my business coaching, which is very unconventional. A lot of business things are very masculine, right? So that is sort of brought in from the dating coaching, being in your feminine and using this toward attracting more abundance. So about attracting more abundance, I will be also talking a lot more about manifestation and law of attraction and that kind of thing. So comment below. Do you want more how to start a business online? Do you want more digital marketing? What does that even mean? Maybe you don't even know, maybe, right? You might want to know more about what digital marketing means and how you can utilize the internet to make money online. You know, the make money online niche, so to speak, is huge right now. It's huge and booming, and it's, a multi-billion-dollar industry right now, but it's becoming even more so. So right now it's like a $26 billion industry, and it's set to go to 75 billion by the end of 2026, which is only 3 years from now. So get in on it, if you want to. If you have a great job and you love your job, then this may not be for you. And so I also know that I may lose some of you because you were here for dating and relationship advice. And that's totally okay. You don't need to be here. I don't want to force anyone to be here. I only want people here that are interested in um, learning and really benefiting from the work that I'm putting out there. So, what else is there? That's, I think that's kind of it. Comment below your questions, comment below which part are you most interested in, because that's the kind of videos I will start to make. So here are the options again. More about starting an online business in the first place, more about digital marketing, what it is, how to make money online, more about affiliate marketing, what that is, how to flourish in that, more about manifestation and how that applies to online business and creating the abundance that we all desire. I think that's it. So comment below. I can't wait to hear from you. And I think I will continue making more YouTube videos for you. So stay tuned. Bye for now.